I'll be doing something easy and fast because our food usually takes lots of time
Yeah.
and preparation. So I'm doing you hummus. I know you guys know what hummus is and you ate it. Probably you bought it from Costco and
Um,
restaurants. But
yeah.
trust me,
It's
it's
not
not the
real.
same. You don't eat it because what they do, I understand. They don't put lemon, they don't put salt, they don't put too much garlic because people, each one of us has a taste. But you have to put lemon, you have to put garlic, you have to put jalapeno if you want to eat real hummus. So what
Yes.
I did, usually you could buy the cans of garbanzo beans from the store, but I like to buy it fresh, boil it. This way it doesn't have salt, doesn't have anything. See, so this is what I did. AJ, can you put it bigger?
Yes.
No,
Uh,
put it. Why don't you put
Camera. Yeah.
speaker's view? Speaker's view. Will
Yeah, I
show
got
them
you.
everything.
Yeah, I'm watching you. We pin you.
Speaker view.
Beans.
Okay. So anyway, so first I'm gonna start with garlic and jalapenos,
Okay.
fresh. So I'm gonna put them in the processor. So now I'm gonna add the garbanzo beans. It's really very easy, but you gotta put the right stuff. I'm adding fresh lemon. I don't measure. And you have to use, of course, the tahina sauce, which is the sesame seed ground. You know how you grind the peanut and you get the peanut butter?
Yes. Uh-huh.
Yeah. So the same thing with sesame seed. They ground it and they get the what we call tahina.
Tahina. And you buy that one like that, or you make that?
No, you have to buy it. You
Yeah.
can make it, but I mean, who wants to make it? It's too messy. Just buy big jars and use it.
Perfect.
I like to put parsley.
Parsley.
Yes, I love parsley. Parsley. There we go. Grind it. See what happened between the tahini sauce and the lemon? It gets thick.
Yeah.
So you have to add a little bit of water
Water. Mm-hmm.
so that it can grind it better.
Wow. All right. So I put it in the chat, guys. We have garbanzo beans, but first you're gonna grind the garlic, the jalapeno in the processor. Then add the garbanzo beans, the fresh lemon salt, the tahini sauce, parsley, and then you grind it. And if you eat it, add water.
You have to add water. Because if you don't add water, it doesn't work.
That's what happens. And then you eat that
really thick, and it won't grind.
Wow, this is a real treat. And Mediterranean food. We can eat this with pita chips, with pita bread, or what else can we eat it with?
Still.
So when you make this one, you make probably for a couple of days, right? Because
Yeah, I make for a whole week because the kids eat it. Really, they love it. And I have a neighbor.
yummy. So you put salt and pepper?
I put salt. I don't put pepper because I grounded a whole jalapeno with the garlic.
Uh-huh.
So you just need salt, and you can taste it, how salty you want it, how lemony you want it. And the good thing about this thing is you can eat it with bread, make a sandwich, or you could make a big platter of carrots, bell peppers, cucumbers, anything, and just instead of eating the ranch, which has God knows how much.
Oh, okay. So you muted her. You press mute. AJ, you unmute your mom, your grandma. That is really sweet of her that she was cooking for us. And so the recipe is garbanzo beans that you can either buy from the can or you can boil the garbanzo beans. It takes about an hour or hour and a half. The older the beans are, the longer it takes to cook. So, but hey, you just put it there, and actually, like on a day like today, it's the best thing to cook either beans or garbanzo beans because it will warm up your room, your house, and then you have food to eat.